Hello, hello, fellow investors. It's that dividend guy here coming at you with another dividend investing video. First, we're going to start off by showing you how my portfolio's been doing. And today, we are up 175. Awesome, awesome. For the week, we're up $240. For the month, we're up $498. On the 3-month mark, we're up 2,350. For the year, we're up 2,635, and all time we're up $2,428. So we're averaging for the month about from the 3 month to all time, we're averaging about 17%. So that is not bad at all. Let's take a look at how the stocks are performing today. Total gain loss. Up $500 on Altria. We're up $56 on Coca-Cola. We're up $463 on AT&T, and we're up $1,032 on AbbVie. Then we're up $320 on WBA, down $100 on ExxonMobil, and up on Target $383. So overall, we're up, very up. AbbVie's really helping with that. And then I'm going to show you my history real quick, and I'll show you the dividend payments that I've gotten. So we are on the same page. So last 30 days, we got paid by ExxonMobil 25.23 on December 10th, so the very beginning of the month. Then Target paid us on the 10th, so the same day. We got paid by Exxon and Target. Target paid us $6.60. Then WBA Walgreens paid us 46 cents on the 12th. And then Coca-Cola, being the last dividend payment of 2019, paid us December 16th. $6.80 was the payment. So altogether, we made a little over 40, like $41. So the question is now, what are we going to buy with these dividends? Because I do dividend reinvest. That's the whole point of this portfolio. But the issue we run into here is that even Altria is over our price range. So take a look. So we want to buy Altria. We have $49.54. Really close, but not quite. So we need to find a stock that we want to buy that is not overpriced according to our shares. So of course we can't be buying AT&T because it's too high, and AbbVie ran up too high. WBA is too expensive. Nothing in our portfolio can be bought because of our rules. So next we got to look down here and see if there's something else that we would like to buy. Realty is too expensive. Let's take a look. Tanger Factory Outlet we could buy 3 shares of that. Lions too expensive. Six Flags, we could probably buy 1 share. Let me take a look. Let's take a look real quick. Yep, we could buy either. We could buy 3 SKT, or we could buy 1 Six Flags. Honestly, Six Flags, I do want to buy that, but I think I'm going to be buying SKT. And as for the watch list, guys, I don't think I've actually added anything since we last spoke. Roy Dutch Shell, I think I told you about the last video. If not, it's just an oil company, one of the big oil rigs in the U.S., and they have a great dividend yield. And they do crude oil. So they're actually from the Netherlands, not the U.S., sorry. So they're a Netherlands company, getting international exposure there. But, yeah, so the only thing we can really buy on my watch list currently are Six Flags and SKT. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to go ahead. We're going to buy 3 shares of SKT live. Price may vary due to low. Oh, yeah, never mind. Sorry. Should have done this when the market was open. I will buy that tomorrow. So Tuesday we will be reinvesting dividends. I do apologize for that. Sorry, just my friend invited me over for Raw. It's Monday night, so I go over to my friends for Monday Night Raw. So I will be buying a share tomorrow. I'll make sure to record the video earlier on in the day so that I'm able to do that. But here we go. We're up on most of our stocks. Excuse me, sorry. Guys, I did go to a wrestling event on Saturday, and my voice kind of got shredded because I screamed so much. Because I had surprise entries like Drew McIntyre and Seth Rollins was there, so I screamed a lot. So I had a good time. But overall, guys, cannot complain about the portfolio. We're $22 away from being at 17K. That is crazy daisy. So that is awesome, awesome, awesome. So, yeah, guys, looking pretty good. Tomorrow I will be reinvesting dividends into SKT, just because it's cheaper. It does pay 147.10 according to NASDAQ, so that will be boosting up our dividends. And that's the whole goal of the portfolio, guys, is to be paid dividends out. Hopefully be paid enough to go into another share. But as you know, from 36912, being WBA, ExxonMobil, and Target, I don't make enough money to do that yet. So we're close, but we're not quite there. So I'd rather reinvest into something that we can afford, like SKT. or I could just hold the dividends. If you guys would rather me do that, I'll hold them. And then next month, January, when we get paid around $80, we'll have 120-ish, and we can buy whatever we want. Maybe we should do that instead. Maybe I should just hold the dividends. Let me know, guys, what you want to do with what you want me to do with the dividends. But thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Monday. I had a great weekend, and I'm excited for tomorrow to see what the market brings when market opens. So thank you guys so much for watching. It's been That Dividend Guy, my 16, almost 17K portfolio. Remember to hit that subscribe button, and when you do, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any updates on my portfolio. Thanks, guys, so much for watching. I love you so much, and thank you for the support, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy Monday. Take care, guys.